Your Excellency, just over 3 years ago, 15 Akwa Ibom youths had a dream of becoming a pilot. And that dream, we struggled over the years to accomplish. But like our chairman has said, due to the demands, the financial demands in the industry, we were not able to. But a few years down the line, your father, our grandfather, His Excellency the Ibom Emmanuel, must have slept and woke up with a dream to ensure that Akwa Ibom youths can sit and walk comfortably in the cockpit of Ibom Air. And he made that possible. Your Excellency, His Excellency the Ibom Emmanuel made the takeoff run and lifted up that flight off the ground. He doffed his hat, stepped up the scene, and you came on board, Your Excellency. And you kept us in cruise. Performed what I would call the finest descent any pilot could ever make. And today, I standing on the shores of the Ibom State, 15 cadet pilots, and I'm happy to say that 15 cadets trained to the highest possible standards, trained with the knowledge, skills, and attitude that make for a professional and disciplined pilot, have come to add their quota to the growth and development of this airline. Your Excellency, I want to thank you for your youth-friendly approach. It is seen all over the state that you have given the youth an opportunity to edge their input in their Arise agenda and your blueprint. We thank you very much. We are proud of you, and we promise you that in the execution of our duties, we will make you proud. We will execute it to the highest possible standards to ensure that Ibom Air moves forward. And we thank you for giving us fine leadership in Ibom Air, in the person of our chairman and CEO and the rest of the team to lead us. We are grateful, sir, and we pray that the Lord will bless you and keep you in good health and strengthen you and grant you wisdom to lead Akwa Ibom State as our captain in this time to the destination God has ordained for it.
I want to say thank you to Your Excellency for the opportunity you have given to us to be able to stand here today. This dream, I for one, so many persons, when you leave the shores of Akwa Ibom State in search of the pursuit for aviation, instead of becoming an engineer, chances are you never come back to the shores of Nigeria. You look forward to sojourning elsewhere. But today we can stand to say that Akwa Ibom State is a place where every other person, every other aviation professional hopes and desires to come to, because here is a place where we all can be proud of.
I wouldn't say it was purely born out of passion. That passion had died as a child because I didn't see the vision financially. But thank God for time and chance, which happened to me, and I'm sure it happened to a lot of people sitting here, time and chance. And I didn't also know that one day I'll be sitting on the same table with them.
The development of technology to send out our young Akwa Ibomites to go and train so that when they come back, whatever they learned, they will teach the rest of us that are alone. And both groups have performed very well.
It's just the beginning, it's just the least that you can think of. I want to thank, first of all, my political father and predecessor, the Ibom Emmanuel, for his vision. The vision of bringing about Ibom Air, and then nurturing it to start, and then the dream of training our own indigenous pilots and engineers. The vision will continue to run. The truth about Akwa Ibom is this: every leader that God has brought to lead the state at any point in time have done their best to move the state forward.